Are you craving unlimited grilled meats, flavorful side dishes, Japanese favorites, and more? Then this food trip is something you shouldn't miss. Hello fellow food trippers! Today we are heading to Meatsumo, a dining spot where Seoul meets Tokyo, located on the second floor of SM City, Valenzuela. As we enter Meatsumo, the modern, cozy interior immediately evokes a warm dining atmosphere, perfect for family gatherings, barkada food trips, and celebrations. The restaurant offers a stylish combination of the rich flavors of Korean grilled culture and delicious Japanese fusion dishes, all served in an unlimited feast experience. Of course, the highlight here is the unlimited selection of meat. On the menu, diners can choose from 5 kinds of pork and 7 kinds of beef. For our first round, we were served up to 4 meats to grill: plain pork and beef Yakiniku with a generous serving of melted cheese. For our second round, we opted for beef enoki, Japanese sausage, garlic scallops, and beef bulgogi. Our last order comes with beef gochujang, peppered beef, spicy beef yakiniku, and chicken yakitori. When these are placed on the grill, the thin slices of meat cook quickly and sizzle beautifully, locking in their juicy flavors with a smoky aroma. And they are mouth-watering when perfectly charred. It pairs well with unlimited creamy cheese dipping sauce. And of course, no Korean barbecue experience is complete without side dishes. At Meatsumo, there are about 15 varieties to enjoy in every round, including Japanese fusion dishes that complete the experience. We enjoy classic favorites like calamari, tempura, chicken katsu, California Maki, chicken karaage, and soy garlic chicken. For our second round of side dishes, we had gyoza, sweet potato chips, cheese corn, kani salad, melted cheese, and hot steamed egg. They also have a self-service bar with flavorful beef stew, Japchae noodles, kimchi rice, fermented kimchi, pickled radish, pamuchin, spicy dilis, and miso soup. These tasty accompaniments balance the richness of the grilled meats. One of the best parts of dining here is the unlimited servings. You can keep ordering your favorite meats and side dishes, including unlimited red iced tea, at the promo price of 649 pesos per head for at least 2 diners and 799 per head for solo diners. And senior citizens and PWDs can dine at a discounted rate, making every visit sulit for big appetites and food lovers alike. The lively grilling experience makes dining here interactive and fun. Whether you like your meats lightly cooked or perfectly charred, you can grill and savor just the way you wish. So if you are looking for an affordable, unlimited Korean-Japanese fusion restaurant in Valenzuela, Meatsumo at SM Valenzuela is definitely worth visiting. They are open on Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. For promo inquiries and dining reservations, you may call 0956 568 9822. Thank you for joining us on this food trip adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food discoveries, buffet adventures, and restaurant reviews. See you on our next food trip.